Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to open my Black Friday Erin Condren order. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this, but I've been sick, so I apologize for that. But I was actually losing my voice and coughing and the whole deal. But I'm feeling a lot better, but you may hear a little bit of scratchiness in my voice, but for the most part, I'm ready to open this because I actually received this last week. And I've been holding on to it because I wanted to do a video. So I am ready to go ahead and open this. Now all I did was cut the tape here, and let's see what's inside. Now I don't buy a whole lot of Erin Condren stuff, but whenever she has like her Black Friday sale, that's usually the time when I do buy something. So, oh, very nice. So let's take a look. And I apologize for the lighting. Let me see if the overhead light will work. Okay, I do think that's a little better. We're having some overcast today. But the first thing I see here is this cute little newsletter. Now I'm covering up the sticker because it does have a code here, and I don't know if that's a code like unique just, you know, for me, or if it's a public code. I don't know, so I'm going to cover that up. But this is really nice. I've never seen this done before. So it looks like I said, some type of a newsletter with all kinds of stuff that she's got going on. I guess news and updates and things like that. So that's interesting. And then, as per usual, she always gives you some type of a sticker. And then this is a little postcard, which is really nice. Okay, let's get into the goodies. Now, I ordered quite a bit of stuff, so I am really excited to share it with you all. I did have a couple of questions about I think it's called the folio, which is kind of like Erin Condren's version of the Traveler's Notebook. So I ordered that, and I'm really excited to see it because I've seen reviews on YouTube. I've seen other videos, and I have to say I wasn't quite impressed, but I wanted to see it in person because you know how sometimes things can look different in person than in video. So obviously that's what this is. This is the folio, and it comes in a really nice drawstring bag that's actually quite a nice size. So let's go ahead and look at this folio. Okay, so it is an A5 size. And it's called the On the Go Folio. And I'm not quite feeling the elastics here, but you know, I can work with it. Now, obviously this is not real leather, but it is a very soft material. It feels almost like a vinyl coated kind of thing. You may hear Caden sneezing in the background, but it's got the Erin Condren stamp on there. Okay, it's not going to focus, but anyway, yeah, it feels like a vinyl type material. Okay, you know, it's not bad, but it's okay. I'm going to say this is okay. Okay, so let's get into the other parts of my order. So I did order the 4-pack of the daily planner. I guess they're daily planner pages. Yeah, I'm guessing this is similar to the Inkwell Press quarterly inserts. Oh, petite planner, daily planner. Okay, I want to see what one of these looks like. Now again, I have seen these in other videos. And if I can get it open. Okay, so you get your month on 2-page layout. Then you get, oh, you get a page per day. Nice. Okay. I really like these inserts. I actually think the inserts are worth the price if you have another A5 Traveler's Notebook, which is probably what I'm going to do. I mean, I'm going to try it in this first to see how I like the setup. But I'm really liking the inserts. Very, very nice. Oh, and then you get stickers here in the back. Very cool. And a little pocket, or a little, yeah, secretarial pocket back here. Very cool. Okay, so I'm very happy with these. Next, I got the, oh, this is the monthly planner. Let's see. Okay, so you get the month on 2 pages. Okay, it just goes month on 2 pages, and then you get notes pages in the back. Oh, okay, this will work too. And you also get stickers and the pocket in the back. Okay, I'm loving that. I really like these inserts, and they weren't that expensive. I want to say they were like $7 a piece. Now I also got the goal setting one. And this is the wellness log or insert. And then I got the budget insert. Oh, and then I did buy a sticker book. And this one is the monthly collection edition 4. I don't remember what this one looks like. Let's open it and see. Because I really am a fan of her stickers, and I know you all know I don't need any, but they're so beautiful. These are really, wow, they're smooth. They feel like the paper is smoother than in past sticker books, but they've got foil on them. Oh, this is totally, totally worth it if you're looking to buy this. Look how pretty. June, and then we've got July. Very, very nice. Oh, this is pretty. It's like an orangey gold foil for October, November, and then December. Very cool. I love that. Totally love it. Okay, and that was it. So I am very pleased with my order. From what I can tell, with the petite planner inserts, I think they're totally worth it. The paper quality is amazing. The way it's designed, the layout is also, I mean, I'm totally loving it. Totally worth it. I think I mean, I wish she made these in other sizes, because I would use these in all of my traveler's notebooks. So, yeah, I can't wait to set this up. So once I do get this set up, I will come back, obviously, and let you guys know how I'm using it and what my thoughts are on this. I don't like that this is kind of leaving a mark here. You know, but I guess you'll have to play with the elastics, because obviously these are way too loose. But you know, we'll see. Like I said, I gotta set it up and, you know, see how it looks and how it feels and how it functions for me to have a definite opinion. But so far, everything else is getting a thumbs up. Stickers, definitely. The only thing I'm kind of so on is the actual folio. But that is it. That is my Erin Condren Black Friday order. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, stay tuned for the updates when I get this all set up. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. And yeah, that's it for now. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.